John Cena vs. Solo Sikoa is one of the matches featured for WWE Crown Jewel 2023. Both men first shared the ring during the former's recent return to the company and feud with the Bloodline. However, it looks like the history between them is much deeper than that. The feud between Umaga and John Cena brought many memorable moments and close calls but is considered underrated by many fans. They first faced in 2006 on Raw with Cena losing. However, their feud mainly occurred in 2007. In that year's New Year's Revolution event, John defeated Umaga's undefeated streak. While some were happy with this decision, some weren't. Following this loss, the Samoan bulldozer just wasn't the same. Triple H could rectify the mistake of Vince McMahon by having Solo Sikoa win in his match at Crown Jewel instead. This shouldn't be much of an issue, as this nation leader has been more than okay with putting over younger talents in his recent run. Crown Jewel 2023 will take on November 4, 2023, at the Mohammed Abdo Theatre in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. The likes of Seth Rollins, Logan Paul, Roman Reigns, Louisiana Knight, Rhea Ripley, and more are also present for the event.